Hi everyone, welcome to Hangzhou Hot Unit. You will be following the design cycle to create your new product for the Chinese market, and this unit aims to identify and produce a tangible product that might balance customer and manufacturing needs. So, today's your challenge is to observe the world, particularly you are in Hangzhou at this point, to look for 3 everyday problems and try to list out 9 potential solutions to these 3 problems. That something might make money, that might win a competition, that might make a tangible product, things that people will pay for it, and also some products that might balance the customers and manufacturing needs. So let's look at the 6 categories: 食衣住行娱乐, food, clothing, housing, traffic, education, or even entertainment businesses. Things you are interested, please start thinking, what can I do? What kind of things I can create? Or how do I actually understand the balance between the people's needs and also the value of manufacturing? Please also fill in the chart below once you're done with your outing, and also start putting down potential solutions for each problem. And hopefully you are going to have lots of fun with this activity, and see you on campus.